Hey, how's it going? So I ordered some stuff from the Cheshire Farms online, buypork.com. They had a sale going. It's currently April 2020. They had a sale going, 25% off everything in the store, and if you spent $150, you got a free Black Forest ham. So I bought 5 pork bellies, skinless, and they threw in 2 Black Forest hams for free. So I ordered this last week, and FedEx just dropped it off at my house. It took 2 days to get here from North Carolina. I heard a lot of good stuff about the pork belly, and I plan to make a bunch of bacon. So inside comes packed with some ice. It's still frozen. Thickness about standard. I expected a little bit thicker, to be honest with you, but that's okay. That's one of them. There's another one. Weight, I would say probably 8 pounds. About thickness on the thickest part, if we're lucky, about 1.5 inches. Thinnest part, like over here, that's only like probably maybe 1/2 inch. Pretty thin. So that was one box. Came with 3 ice things. This one looks good. Nice and thick. Yeah, these two look way better than the other ones. Real thick. The thickness right there. That should make some good bacon. But really can't complain, because they did toss in 2 of these for free. Black Forest. Weight on this guy, say about 8 pounds. And there's the other guy. So I'll make some bacon. Everything's pretty much frozen, except maybe this one's a little bit defrosted. Another 3 ice packs in here. But I think the full price was about $3.50 for everything, because I got free shipping too. So that's it. Have a good day.